Woyo, right about now, it's another day, another Zola with Ango Praise. The way you understand. Another day, another Zola, another day, another vlog. So yeah, before I get in this vlog, I think you also from the title. The title is it was explained, but before I will get into the vlog, right here I got some ingredients that I'm holding. I got some young beef nyana, as you can see, and this is tomato sauce. This is salad. This is cheese, as you can see. Cheese. Eat this one. Eat this one. And I'm holding some bigger. Don't my bigger parties. Some bigger buns in. Some buns in yana. You understand? So you all know what I'm gonna be making today for supper. You understand? I think that's what because I'm tired of these junk foods nyana. But I always buy them from Anabeka Singuranan, chicken in blah 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 steers. Today I'm gonna make them myself. You understand? So yeah, that is gonna be the supper for today. So I don't want to waste my time or your time showing you how to make them. I'm sure you know how to make them, but I'm gonna show you the final result before we go into the vlog. So I have to eat first, and then I'll tell you what's gonna be popping in the next vlog. So if it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. You understand? Road to 20,000. Boss, thank you guys for 11,000 followers. Don't tell us ngati don't tenda my followers manyowani atakawana ma previous video. Don't tenda ina messages amakasenda. Esema it will be okay, but for you everything's gonna be okay. Don't die ngati guys. We now on 11,000 subscribers. Our road to 12,000. Takananga ku 20,000. Tichazosuka kwa 100,000. Don't die ngati. So make sure stay tuned. This is the ingredients before, and this is the result. So guys, as you can see, now we done cooking, and this is our meal. And since it flew, we're gonna chow it with stone ginger beer. So yeah, it's not that attractive, but it's a bachelor. It's cool. I know it's cool, right? Tell me what you think down in the comment section. One bachelor meat. Let's get it.
I should order in drive.
Woyo.
In drive.
What's good YouTube? This is your boy President. That's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, you share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, basically what's gonna be happening to this vlog is I'm gonna go and meet up with Kim and Tanaka, Kimaya. Nyanya. Basically, unaona Tanaka kana Timunyonga family ready to fambira Kimaya. Yeah, you know the thing. So right now I'm in Avondale, and ndikuenda kumba kwana Raineso, and meno ndikupi andikuziye ndongo ndithetha location. So yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you why ndikuende kuko kana chikenda svikako. Don't tratanake kuko ndorizina ndofambira kunyanya, don't tratanaka. And then tratanaka we continue the vlog. You understand? So yeah, stay tuned. And right now I'm watching a DJ Ola show. Let me show you. We're gonna meet Kimaya.
Tanga ku drive wachi. Tiri mumotikari yana tapadzwa chikawe. Tani mukoma na shamwari yawe.
As you can see,
because he didn't want to ask me on
right now I'm watching DJ Ola show, and I'm going.
Have you been raped?
Where I'm going. So make sure I stay tuned. I love it so much.
Now I have to stay tuned. But I'm going to training.
Oyo, namuya muno ndimbotengera young men chikafu. Young men chikafu. Saka you use that clicks and cut now. You use that clicks and cut. Komana sinzari brand ambassador with clicks and doors America. Rasina. I am a friend and sumo man. This is pork chop. Robert, Rasina. Samana tunakomana. Ndrembinga dzangu mbiri izi. Mumwe ndio clicks in now, mumwe ndio ku Nike. Uri rakapenge rairari idzokere. Some water. I want to buy some water nyana, so now it pass par Helensfield. Here's the water. Let me get the cheaper one. Why is it different cinema? Cinema different prices. Really weird. How come? Squealer. Imagine guys, this one is costing 15 cents. This one 27, 13, 50 cents. How come brother my price akasiyana? You're 20. 15, let me take the cheaper one. It's 13, 2 gigawatt. Can to read no. I can to read 2 wire. Secure. Guys, I don't understand why I'm putting my different prices. I feel like these people are just dramatic. And yeah, we are in Spa and there's Tanaka down there. Mention it out here. This one, as you can see. Yeah. Don't even understand why. Big guy. Chan, is what why I'm putting my price like I see. Mana ratenga VAT mid-end. There's a copyright. So guys, I just dropped Tanaka, and now I wanna go home and rest. You understand? So yeah, I was stay tuned. I will let you know what's popping, and I'll be giving you some updates. You understand? So let's go, let's get it. Unfortunately, I don't want to go the Kimaya, but I saw it though. I saw your terms that I was to pick up Tanaka, and then I thought it was just Zogachapina no more, but now it's late. I'm sure that because now it's around 11 to 12. I'm sure that Garara, so I'll see another day. So now I'm going back home. Rest, and then we'll continue the vlog tomorrow. So yeah, let's go, let's get it. Tango. What's good, man? What's this? There's something which is reflecting on my seat, but I can't see it. Oh, I feel like this cinema glitters and so because physical I can see them. But anyways, what's good, man? So I just bought some food. Guys, imagine this costed $2. Guys, this car irupenya, but the glitters I can't see them. Like you can see here, parupenya, but I can't see them physically. I don't know what's wrong with it. So as you can see here, I bought some 100% liquid, 100% juice. And here there's some fries, steers, and then here there's some burgers. So from now on, I'm eating healthy. I decided to eat something better than Shananshi because as you can see, this thing is costed. It costed $2. It was supposed to buy me my burgers in my revive and 4 madika. And then this meal it costed $5 just a burger and fries. I was supposed to get my burgers in 5. Sometimes that is not all about quantity, it's not all about quantity, it's all about quality. That's it. So yeah, let's check what we are eating right here. Last year's in the timber my burgers. Cheeseburger. Even though I got but Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Peace out. Oh yo, what's good YouTube? As you can see, currently I'm at Chisipiti. I'm in Chisipiti. As you can see, I just passed Chisipiti shopping center down there. You understand? So now I wanna go and visit Ryan and Ani's in Kim and Tanaka. I'm going to Ryan and Ani's house to visit Kim and Tanaka. I wanna take them today. I'm gonna be their Uber driver for the day. You understand? So yeah, I'm on my way. As you can see right now, you won't know where I'm going because every day I use different ways. You understand? You understand? But yeah, I'm in Chisipiti, and yeah, let's go together. You understand? And then I would let you know because I'm gonna be their driver for the day. You understand? So make sure you stay tuned, you like, comment, share, and subscribe. to my YouTube channel for more and more content, you understand? So as you can see, they live down there. Mirkwa Samora. You understand? So yeah, let's go. What happened to your head? What's this? What's in your head?
It's just for wash.
It's for what?
For wash.
Wash.
And water.
For wash in water.
Yes.
Mama must fix your hair.
No.
It's okay like that.
Look at that. That's your hair is ugly.
Whose hair is ugly?
That's
Come here. Whose hair is ugly?
you.
Mine is nice.
No,
It's very beautiful.
It's not beautiful.
Wow. Miss Kimaya is looking nice. It's looking very clean. So come on, outfit of the day, OOTD. Yeah, we're OOTD. Oh, what's the OOTD today? What are we wearing? So guys, I just arrived at Finest. What did you love? What do you love? This car?
Yes.
Yeah, this is one of my cars. This is one of my cars.
This.
You like this?
Yes, I want to go in.
You want to go in?
Yes.
Yes, you can go, ma'am. Come, you're gonna be dirty. Come this side. Look, you're gonna be dirty. You're gonna be dirty. Come this side. There.
I'm going.
There we go. You said what's this in your hair? It's still wet.
No.
Hmm.
Look, that one.
Is it?
Yeah.
You like this car? You like it?
Look, it's going.
Yeah.
You can't go tomorrow.
It's one of my cars. This one.
Can't go. What's that sound?
Oh yeah.
What's that sound?
The boot. It was a boot.
It was good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you were stepping on my seat. You.
No.
Yes.
No, I'm not stepping on your seat.
You were stepping on my seats.
No, I'm just sitting down.
You were stepping on my seats.
Huh?
You were stepping on my seats.
No,
Yes,
I'm sitting.
you were.
I'm
So
sitting.
guys, I'm here with Miss Kimaya, Miss Rich Auntie Kimaya. Say hello, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Welcome back to Uncle's channel.
Welcome, Uncle Becky's channel.
Please like,
Subscribe.
subscribe. Yeah. Five. Yes. So where are you going today? What's the plan? What's the plan today? Where are we going?
You're going to Cape Town.
Cape Town.
Yeah.
Wow, high five. Good one.
It's okay, eh?
Oh, yo, YouTube. Yo, guys. I flew it large, singaiti. And I just got these ingredients. Tsunami, I mean. Lemons nyana. Ndakunatira, guys. So, you have to mix chika lemon no makana mpoto. And then also tsunami. And then also I have this other ingredient. Let me show you. Maro ne flu kwa mbele levo. Was yo mince. I will start my mince. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I just want to thank you for your love and support. The love that you're giving me is crazy. I just want to welcome the new subs, my new one. Guys, please leave me know in comment section with it. Mnofara type vlogging and later. The Karamaka notice I can name my fans. wakatoona kuti pane the way yandakufloga nayo yakasiyana neyandaimboshandisa. Tell me down in the comment section if you love that way or you love this way. So maways anawe too pane yekungoti ndinongovloga yendozokubaranza maclips ndinongobuda revlog kozoita yekuti nechiti tsanangura ndotanga ndatsanangura like this and then some clips is nice tsanangura and then some clips nice tsanangura like so you guys, as you can see, after this now I'm going to the shops and I'm going to buy some means more than chinotenga means ndo but I saw clip inotenga means or munongoda vlog ora nechikotaura zvazvikuitika step after steps. I mean, let me know in comment section. It is guys, atinombotoya kunatira andapedza kunatiswa nabomza kudhara ndiri mfana, you understand. And after that we have a lot of stuff to do. Let me show you, but I'm not gonna show you though because I'm behind the time, you understand. In the vlogging and cheetahs was like there's some house shows. And let me show you how dirty my room is like right now. Let me just show. So yeah, this is the room. Bed spread and bed. My ingredients are actually then now my place are like sugar, my pots and stuff, everything is just jangara jirim then. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you my household shows, but yeah, maybe in Chinatira, you understand. So now let's do, what do you call it, let's make the medicine, the medication, and then do that test, and then we'll end the vlog. This is gonna be fun. But yo, that's what happens with that. But yeah, let's do it. Some water. Chinatira. 2, 3. Okay guys, now that we have put hey guys, guys, please, I'm looking for a room. Those who knows where I can get a room, because like I can't record anything here because there's copyrights there's more every day. Anyways guys, atapedza the process now taakufukira don't kunatira. So yeah, I'm just gonna play the music on top so that I don't my copyrights, but it's going to guarantee.
Hapana chakanaka chawakaita chicharova iwe hapana chakanaka chawakaita chisina mubairo iwe anorangarira iye mwari anorangarira iye mwari hapana chakanaka chawakaita chicharoma iwe hapana chakanaka chawakaita chisina mubairo iwe anorangarira iye mwari anorangarira iye mwari kana mwari akurangarira sanaka kana mwari akurangarira zarikana kana mwari akurangarira sanaka kana mwari akurangarira zarikana
mana vanonatira vakashingwa mana akunatira kunorwadza andapidza but now I can feel it a little better, like I can breathe fresh air. I recommend this method. If you have flu, you can block me. You will be relieved. Anyways, guys, I just want to thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure you stay tuned for more and more content. Tell me down in the comment section the content that you want. I'm gonna post a Q&A on my IG. Yeah, so that you guys will ask me questions. And yeah, thank you guys for your love and support. I love you so much, guys. Keep on sharing, commenting. The family is growing. Road to 12,000, and we're gonna reach there soon. I know for sure this August. So I don't have much to show you guys. I just want to thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That was the end of the vlog. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section of Modama Vlogs. I didn't see but Sanangura, the Sanangura, and no recorder. Those Sanangura, the Sanangura. Or my vlogs about my Jerabda. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to town. That's why I'm to Raso guys, and I'm town. And I'm going to Kenin. That's why I'm to Raso guys, and I'm going to Kumba. Or no vlogs that guys. Mursei. So basically, what's going to be happening in this vlog is to go to town. That page I will explain also. Do this my clips in town. That's what town. Or that's say guys in town and I'm going to look at the clip. No damn videos I gotta say. Tell me down in the comment section. I want to give you guys the best and quality content. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support.